Everyone, welcome into JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about the HTTP test script recorder in JMeter. It is a simple tool that helps you record and create test plan quickly. So let's begin. Open JMeter. Few are the configurations for HTTP test script recorder. I will show you step by step how you can configure for HTTP test script recorder. First, open the JMeter and then open browser. In the browser, you need to set the proxy and install the certificate for HTTP script recorder. First, I will show you how you can configure the HTTP script recorder in JMeter. Then I will show you how you can install the certificate and set the proxy for the JMeter. When you open the JMeter first interface, you will see this test plan and then right and side test plan and the comments. Right click on test plan, add thread, and then click on thread group. In the thread group, you can enter the number of users, runtime periods, how much time you need to run the script, and this is the loop count. If you want to add the loop count, suppose you add here 10 users and then enter here 10, it means the total number of requests 100 will be sent to the server. In previous tutorial, I have already explained this all the functionality in the thread group. So right click on this thread group and logic controller. Here, one options are available, which is recording controller. Click on recording controller. In the recording controller, here you can enter the name as well comments and clear all the recorded samples. Here options are also available. Now click on the test plan thread and then non-test elements and then click on HTTP test script record. Here you can enter the HTTP test script recorder name, comments, and in this port section you need to define the port. Here enter 8080 port and few are the options are available here: test plan creation and request filtering. After sending request to this server, you can set the filter. Here two options are available: include and exclude. Suppose few requests you do not want to view here in the HTTP request after recording, you can exclude. And if you want any request, so here you can use the include. Here one option is available: URL pattern to include. Here you need to define the pattern. Now set up the configuration for HTTP script recorder. Open the Firefox and then click on setting. In the settings section, search here proxy. For HTTP test script recorder, you need to configure here localhost. Here you can enter 127.0.0.1 and then enter same port 8080, same as well here port 8080. Make sure these ports are same. Either you will get the error and you cannot record the scripts. And after setting this manual proxy configuration, you need to select this manual proxy configuration radio button and then click on OK. Now you need to install the certificate for HTTP script recorder. Click on setting and search here certificate. Here view certificates. Click on this view certificates. For importing this certificate, when first time you will click on this start, the certificate will be generated in the bin root folder. Here you can view uh, Apache JMeter temporary root certificate. So let's we can click on this start. After click on this start, it will ask for your root CA certificate Apache JMeter temporary. You need to, if here, you can view the certificate generated here after running script from this start. Now you can record from Firefox, click on this OK, and then search here JMeter official or JMeter official site and select this. After click on this Apache JMeter, now it will generate the script for you because here we use the HTTP script recorder. After click on this here, you need to click on this stop and then enter the transaction name. Now open this here. You can view multiple requests have been generated. You can filter out the request from here request filtering options. Suppose few requests you do not want to generate here, so you can use the exclude and there define the pattern. Now, before stopping this test script, we need to enter the transaction name here. Enter the transaction name. Enter transaction name here, JMeter site, and then click on stop. By using this HTTP script recorder, you can save time, automatically records HTTP requests instead of creating them manually. By using this HTTP script recorder, Elastic test plans capture actual user actions for accurate testing. These are the few benefits of HTTP test script recorder. You can easy to edit, you can modify recorded script to fit your test cases. Handles dynamic data, helps you manage values like session ID after recording, and you can work with browsers compatible with most web browsers for easy recording. Here, if you remember that in the starting tutorial, I have already described here templates are available. Here, multiple templates are available. Here, recording template available. You can use this recording template and use in your test case. So click on this create. It will ask you enter the host name. Here you need to enter the your website name, and this is the HTTPS protocol and recording dot XML recording output file. Click on create. Now it will ask you there are the test items that have not been saved because here I did not save this test. So it will ask for save or no. So if I click on no, and here the you can view the user defined variables. In upcoming tutorial I will explain this step by step what is user defined variables, and this is the HTTP request defaults. If you enter the google.com in the server name when we creating the HTTP script recorder template. So here you can view the google.com, and this is the protocol. This is the HTTP cookie manager. Now, in the thread group section, recording controller here. Now, if you use this template, you do not need to create the HTTP request manually. And view result tree here available. You can view here request and the results of the request. By default, this HTTP test script recorder are disabled. You can enable this by using right click and then click on enable. That is for today tutorial on HTTP test script recorder in JMeter. This tools makes it easy to create and manage test scripts. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more simple and useful tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or video ideas. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.